Hey, good morning to you. Happy Thursday, everybody. Mark again here, WeatherMan Plus. And I got you updates on what's going on with the tropics, as well as the rainfall that is coming to the south, as well as the southwest with the monsoon season. We do have more rainfall coming. But we also have some severe weather that is coming in for tomorrow, for Friday. And I will be doing that video early in the morning, so we have the best information on that storm. And there was a lot of storms in the northeast for yesterday, a lot of wind damage. And this video was put out by Weather Nation. It's from Roburke 84. This is in Virginia.
Bad.
And this was put out by WeatherDeck. We had so many lightning strikes in California. It was the most lightning strikes that they have had in the last 5 years in one single day. And all this did cause a lot of power outages, but the numbers have come down dramatically. Everybody's looking a whole bunch better, even though they still have a lot of power outages. Virginia still right below 50,000. West Virginia right below 30,000. Pennsylvania 16,000. California 15,000. And Louisiana right below 9,000. And they actually had 300 wind damage reports just from yesterday alone. And we do have more storms moving in for tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon. So for tomorrow, for Friday, there is some severe weather, and there is some cities and states included. Like I said, I will do a forecast early in the morning. That way we have the best information from high resolution rapid refresh. There is a tornado threat, a lot of wind threat, and hail as well. So we'll go through that first thing in the morning. Plus some good news. Y'all remember that generator place, Okmo, that wanted me to produce sales to help give a giveaway for the generator? I was like, no way. I never do sales on my channel. I do donations, I do giveaways, but I don't do sales. Well, they responded with, they sent me a free one to give out to you guys. So watch the video all the way through. Somewhere within the video, I'm going to give the information of how you can get this for free yourself. I'll ship it to you tomorrow. First off, let's talk about the tropics a little bit. I got some new information for you because the Canadian model is still showing a very serious storm. It's not showing it going towards Jamaica. It's showing it is going around that Bermuda high, possibly strengthening up and going right over Puerto Rico. And that would be by the 30th, which will be Thursday. And keep heading towards the Bahamas, towards Florida and the southeast by the 2nd of July. And if that were to show true, it so far is bringing anywhere from 70 up to 80 miles per hour, almost 90 miles per hour wind gusts in its path as it continues to go. But if you check with just the Euro and the GFS as well, you can see on your precipitable water that you do have some waves moving through, and they're going to keep moving to the west because it is getting dominant by all this high pressure, as well as some moisture still coming to the northern of the Gulf states. And the second wave continues to move through, and it goes right towards Central America, towards Honduras, Nicaragua, still showing that path. And the GFS shows almost the same thing. It shows the waves continue to move through. We could get an upper level low that could form over northern Bahamas around the 28th, but it's not going on that long track like the Canadian model. And also the next wave continues to move through to the west, just like it's showing with the Euro. But now it's showing it could try to make it towards the northwestern of the Caribbean. But we do have that cold front that is coming through for the beginning of July. And it just keeps it suppressed where it can't do anything and maybe go towards the southern half of the Bay of Campeche. But if you take a look from the NASA satellite to see, according to the dust, we have a lot of dust coming, guys, that the dust actually keeps it suppressed to where that first one that we get now does go towards Central America, towards Honduras. But when that next one builds up, it keeps it suppressed to the west, southwest, and that does not head towards Puerto Rico, towards the Bahamas, or in any way. And that second wave that we have coming, we have dust behind that one, and that will keep that suppressed as well. So I'll show that the GFS and the Euro is correct on that it goes to the west southwest. Now, we'll keep you alerted on that upper level low that could form a surface low over the southeast, but that's a little bit down the road. But as for now, it looks like the Canadian model is actually the outlier at this point, which is a little odd, but it does happen. So according to NASA satellite, this will move this precipitation right below Jamaica, bring y'all a little bit of rainfall, and it's not going to be headed towards Puerto Rico or the Bahamas. And if you've seen that in the deterministic weather models, please don't be alarmed, because so far I'm showing that that is not trending on anything else. It's just the Canadian. It's all by itself with that. And you can see right here a look from the whole basin that we have a big plume of dust coming right behind those waves, keeping everything suppressed to the west. It will not be making that northern push, as well as another big plume of dust coming right behind that, to where this wave in between would not be able to last neither. I'm showing that we're actually going to be on a little bit of a break, at least for the States. Now, National Hurricane Center did put out an outlook for that wave to make it here, and it has a 20% chance within the next 5 days. And I will keep you updated. You know how I love the tropics here, so I will make sure we are updated on this wave, just in case the Canadian, by some way, is the only thing that sees this. But so far, there is an outlook for a 20% chance in the next 5 days. But if you look according to the GFS and the Euro is more accurate than the Canadian or the GFS, especially when there's no landfall involved. You see the GFS has it as an upper level low coming into the Eastern Caribbean. Still, high pressure is still dominant, where nothing could make that northern push. And it keeps going to the west on that path. And the Euro agrees as well. It's going to be going to the western end of that path, going somewhere towards Honduras. Because you still have this big dominant high pressure still covering all this area. Nothing is possible to go to the northwest. But I will keep you updated, because according to the upper level low, could form a surface low from the GFS. A little too far to be sure. I will keep you updated. It will be front induced. Because the Canadian model shows that it goes right on through, and the high pressure actually moves to the east, northeast, and it don't go that far to the west into the Caribbean. But the GFS and the Euro both agree that it will be stretching out, so it cannot make that northern push. Now, what the GFS sees is that this will be weakened down from this high pressure, and you see how it throbs in and out. It's because it is moving a little bit to the east, northeast on this high pressure, a Bermuda high, and it could form a surface low later on. I will keep you updated. But at this point, it is very unbelievable, because you can see, according to the GFS, where you have a lot of lift or a lot of sinking area, potential velocity anomaly, that we do have something passing through all the way to the 26th. Then we have a whole bunch of sinking air passing through all this dust, where nothing could form into our Caribbean waters. But at the same time, when you look according to National Weather Service, for today on your precipitation, you're still going to get about a ½ inch of rainfall. You can see the measure on the left. The dark green is in ½ inch. You get up to an inch once you get towards that light blue. So you will have more rainfall coming in for New Mexico and Arizona. For tomorrow, it will continue, and it'll start going towards Florida. As you go towards Saturday, it will go a little more towards the central U.S. Keep adding up for Florida. For Sunday, it'll start moving to the western side of the Gulf of Mexico. And Monday, it'll start bringing more rainfall to the southern half of the Gulf states. And it'll keep building up after that. And if you look at the totals, you can see 1 to 2 days. You do get ½ inch, up to an inch in this blue, but ½ inch in the green for the southwest for your monsoon season. And that's coming from Celia, the remnants of Celia, just tracking in towards the southwest, as well as the rainfall that's adding up for Florida. And you can see in 3 days, it starts adding up to where you're getting almost 2 inches of rainfall. For 5 days, it starts to really add up for a lot of Florida for 2 inches widespread of rainfall. And when you go 7 days, it starts going from 2 inches to almost 3 inches of rainfall for Florida, and bringing an inch to the southern half of the deep south, and bringing some rainfall for Texas still. And that's from National Weather Service. And in the next 7 days, you can get a whole another inch of rainfall, mostly for New Mexico, and higher elevations will get almost 2 inches. So you got to watch out for that flash flooding. and it'll be an inch on this blue and a half an inch in all this green for Arizona. And when you look just within the next 10 days, according to the Euro, you can see it still don't even have an inch of rainfall for Florida, where National Weather Service shows 2 to 3 inches in the next 7 days. But GFS, however, does show a heavier amount of rainfall. It also shows there'll be a heavier amount of rainfall going all the way towards Houston, to where y'all can get some rainfall for the South Central to help feed y'all crops. Worst case scenario, the Euro, which shows a lot less, still showing that you will get a half an inch to almost an inch of rainfall for Texas, as well as Louisiana and the southern half of the deep south. But GFS takes it a lot heavier. So I would backtrack this down some and say you got at least an inch coming to the deep south to help y'all out. And Houston, you got at least an inch coming for you as well. But Florida, you got a lot of rainfall coming to you as well. And National Weather Service has y'all anywhere from 2 to 3 inches within the next 7 days. Plus, that first cold front is on its way and moving through now. So I have this link for y'all as well. This is from National Weather Service for your lows and your highs for the next 5 to 7 days. For today, there's your lows. For tomorrow, it's going to start moving from the northwest. Come Saturday, it's going to keep on moving through Montana. Sunday, it's going to start stretching out to the central U.S. Monday, it's going to get even bigger. Now you're getting into the 40s and 50s for the upper Midwest, bringing cooler temperatures for the northern half of Texas. As you go to Tuesday, now it's going to bring it over to the southeast, bring a lot of people in the 50s and 60s. And as you go through Wednesday, it's going to carry towards the northeast. So those cooler temperatures are coming in, as well as your high temperatures. So make sure you go to the link in the description and see what your highs and lows will be all the way until next Wednesday. That way you know what you can expect, because this cool front is coming through. Now, this generator that they did send me, and remember, I will never do sales on my channel, but I will do donations and giveaways. So these people that always send me all these ads to do in my video, I will not ever do them, but I will tell them, hey, if you can do a giveaway for my subscribers, I will let them know that. So I'm not making anything off showing you this product from this company. I want to keep it that way. I do okay on YouTube, and I will always feed the hungry people with my own money that I make. I never want to push sales on my channel. I want to make my channel about donations and giveaways for you guys. So this generator is a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you. It is almost $800. It's been down priced a little bit. And there's many ways to charge it up, but it didn't come with the solar panel. So if you want the solar panel to go with it maybe later on, it does cost around $300 for the solar panel, but you don't need the solar panel to have it charged up, and it can last a very long time with just a full charge. Matter of fact, I have it charging right now in my house, so when I ship it to you, it will already arrive fully charged for you, so you can use it for whatever needs you do need. And there will be a card involved in this package, and this card says if you give them a positive review on it, you will also get a free tint out of it. So tomorrow on my video, I will record it and show you that I'll be picking this person, whoever the winner will be. That way it shows all fairness. I didn't just pick them out of thin air or somebody that I personally like. It will be a fair contest. All I ask is like this video, share this video at least one time, and you will qualify for this. And all you got to do is go to the comment section, put hashtag tropics, and by doing all that, you will qualify for getting this for free, and I'll ship it to you myself. Thank you so much for your time. God bless every single one of you. I just want to do a quick update on the tropics, let you know what was going on. We do have something moving around, and so far the Canadian model is all by itself. But I will keep you updated just in case the Canadian model is the only one is seeing what's going on with this system. Remember, if you want that generator, remember to do all three things, and you will be picked into the random picker tomorrow in my video to get that thing for free. Now, I have this on NAM 3K, so you can see the system going out into the northeast, as well as the severe weather that will be happening for tomorrow in the upper Midwest. And I will cover that in the video tomorrow morning with another little quick tropical update to let you know what's going on so far in the tropics. But thank you so much for visiting my channel. God bless every single one of you today. Hope you have a very blessed and a very happy Thursday. Now, today I want to read to you Psalm 112. Praise ye the Lord. Blessed is the man that feareth the Lord, that delighteth greatly in his commandments. His seed shall be mighty upon earth. The generation of the upright shall be blessed. Wealth and riches shall be in his house, and his righteousness endureth forever. Unto the upright there ariseth light in the darkness. He is gracious and full of compassion and righteous. A good man showeth favor and lendeth. He will guide his affairs with discretion. Surely he shall not be moved forever. The righteous shall be in everlasting remembrance. He shall not be afraid of evil tidings. His heart is fixed, trusting in the Lord. His heart is established. He shall not be afraid until he see his desire upon his enemies. He hath dispersed, he hath given to the poor. His righteousness endureth forever. His horn shall be exalted with honor. The wicked shall see it and be grieved. He shall gnash with his teeth and melt away. The desire of the wicked shall perish. Amen. God bless you all today. Thank you again for visiting my channel. Make sure to do what you need to do to be qualified for the generator, because I want each one of you to have the fair chance of getting that for free. As well as the next free things that I get coming, I will be giving them away. I never will do sales. It will always be free on my channel. In all power. All glory does go to Yahweh, God of Jacob, our Father. Amen. Hallelujah. Have a very great day, everybody.